Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will gonna take 10 elements from the user and find the sum of those elements using list. So first, we will declare a list. So I have written here lst as variable name in which I have declared a empty list. And then I will start a for loop. So I will write here for I in range 10, as we have to take n elements from the user. And then I will declare a variable name and in which I will take input. So I will write here ele, or can say whatever element, int input using f string, enter element. So this is how you can take input of 10 elements from the user. And now what I will do here is I will append them into list. So a function name dot append, or can say append, is used to append elements into lists. And after appending elements into list, I will print the sum of the list. So for totaling, or can say for summing, I will use a very function named sum, which is used to sum the all elements into a list. So I have declared here a variable named total, in which I have called the function sum, in which I have given the parameter as lst, which is our list, and then I will print it. So this. So here you can see, finally I have printed the sum of the elements. So let's test it out. Okay, so here I have to enter 10 elements. So I will enter n consecutive elements from the 1 to 10, as I know what's the value of those elements, probably 55. So you can see here, and sum of elements are 55, means our program is running well and good. So this is how you can write a program in Python to take input of 10 elements from the user and find sum of those elements using list. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Also check out the description for more details. Thank you.